Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is your weekly Growth Pulse, powered by GrowthRocks. Get ready for the latest growth marketing trends, hacks, and updates, all in one place. Let's go. We begin today's bulletin with the latest developments in the artificial intelligence consulting space, where a fresh list highlights 10 companies leading the charge in 2025. Names like GrowthRocks, Boston Consulting Group, and Cognizant are offering end-to-end AI strategy, integration, and innovation solutions, helping businesses unlock value across sectors from finance to hospitality. Now let's go to Google, where the company is expanding its digital identification features in Google Wallet to more states and 50 new countries. With a Real ID deadline approaching, users can now store government-issued IDs, verify their age with zero-knowledge technology, and access services like Amazon and CVS securely, marking a significant step toward widespread digital credentials. In other headlines, Meta has announced that its open-source Llama artificial intelligence models have now surpassed 1.2 billion downloads. However, the company faces challenges regaining developer trust after a lukewarm response to its new Llama 4 models, with critics pointing to missing reasoning capabilities and inconsistent benchmarking practices. Let's shift our attention to Amazon's growing role in the satellite internet race. The company successfully launched 27 Kuiper satellites into orbit, the first in a planned constellation of over 3,000. While it still lags behind SpaceX's Starlink, Amazon aims to bring connectivity to underserved regions by mid-2026. Meanwhile, in another development in search and optimization, Moz's latest Whiteboard Friday outlines key strategies for optimizing landing pages in the age of multi-search engine optimization. Experts advise aligning page structure with user intent and emphasize the importance of informative, action-driven content that resonates across modern search interfaces like ChatGPT and LinkedIn. Next, we take a look at the continued evolution of digital marketing as LinkedIn has released updated specifications and tips for video content. With a 36% rise in video watch time, marketers are urged to tailor uploads for engagement, making use of safe zones and best practices to maximize exposure in the immersive feed. Here's what else is happening. Meta is nudging Threads users to cross-post on Instagram stories to increase reach and platform engagement. With over 320 million active users on Threads, Meta hopes cross-platform promotion will drive more participation and visibility for its emerging social media ecosystem. And finally, we turn to the troubled fashion technology startup CaaStle, now facing 2 new lawsuits alleging fraud and unpaid settlements. With total damages exceeding $58 million and the company exploring bankruptcy, this could become one of the largest startup fraud cases since the demise of the student loan app Frank. And that wraps up this segment of news. That's a wrap for this week's Growth Pulse. I'm Roxy. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep growing with GrowthRocks. See you next time.